Welcome to Design with Miyoshi. We're going to make another subassembly, and it might seem a little tedious making these small subassemblies, but they will help in the end when it all comes together.
But first, I want to thank Northwest Technical Products for sponsoring this video. If you are part of an educational institution in Washington, Alaska, Oregon, Idaho, or Montana, contact Northwest Technical Products for all your SolidWorks and other technical needs. Thanks, Andrew, and all the crew at Northwest Technical Products.
So here we go. We're going to make the hood subassembly. Hit OK on assembly. And again, I'll do the same thing like I always do. I'll grab the hood, semi-hood, hit open. And again, I don't want to just put it anywhere. I want to put it on the origin. So I'll come up here to this triangle and view, hide, show, origins. Now, it used to go away when you click that, but they let you select lots of things. So I'll just click over here. And there's my two origins. Again, don't try to line the origins up. You want to click or move by the origin, let it snap to the origin, and then you click. And it'll make it beautiful there. All right, I'm going to use the middle mouse as a button, or the wheel as a button, and I'll bring in the next thing. So I'll insert my components. And I think these are the 25, now the 0.25. So I'll put them in, hit open. And look at that, that's the right side. So I'll just put that there. And I'll bring another one. I'll put it there too. So 0.25. All right. Now, I'm not going to make the same mistake again, so I'll just make this the way I did before. If you watch the drawing on the cab assembly, subassembly, so I'll hit the make. I'll grab this circle here, which is the top of the hole, and then I'll use the middle mouse, or the wheel as a middle mouse, and I'll grab this face. That makes that coincident. Okay? I have to check on this little guy instead of the big guy over here. That keeps us in mate. And then I'll grab, well, let me do this. We'll pull this down a bit. I want to grab that cylinder, and I want to grab this cylinder, and there it is. Hit OK. Now, since I'm still in mate, I can do the same thing for this guy. So I'll grab the top here first. It doesn't matter which one you grab first. And then I'll use the middle mouse wheel again, or wheel as a middle mouse. Grab the top cylinder, or the top circle there. There's not a face per se. I'll grab, I hit the check. And I'll grab the cylinder here, and I'll grab the cylinder here. And there we go. Now I'm done with mates, so I hit OK. And there we have those guys. Now, I'm going to do the same thing I did before, and I'm going to do a mirror, so I'll mirror the components. Again, it really makes lots of sense to do mirror components if you have left and right stuff, but it makes sense here too, because I know I made this center, this origin point on the midpoint of that line when I made it. So mirror components, mirror plane's going to be the front plane, I believe. There we go, there's my front plane. And then my components, I just grab here, or I can even just grab the dowels right here. So either way, I'm just going to grab them here. Come on, there we go. Both of them are selected, you can tell because they're blue, and you can see them here. I'll hit the OK. Notice it doesn't show you a preview, but that's okay, it doesn't really matter. Hit the OK, and there we have it. There is our subassembly for our hood. So I'll just say, I should have said on the other one, hood sub. I'll just call this hood subassembly. Maybe I'll call it the hood dowel. Hood dowel subassembly. And I'll hit save. Again, I am not going to make a drawing of this. I'll just keep this as a subassembly. And then I'll do, I saved it already. So I'll just close this guy, and we're ready to go on the next one. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Design with Miyoshi.